Yep. You see my screen now?
See part of your screen. if you select mirroring rather than yeah, there you go. No, you see it.
Oh, okay. Perfect. There you go. The only thing. Okay. Let's go here.
Fast preview.
Yeah, you got a a preview before the. All right. Apologies for that, guys.
There you go.
So I was asked to speak about some feature from Snowflake, and I think what's best to talk about today. And we have a new feature called DBT projects on Snowflake. It's something we added it was announced on the last summit, so a couple of months ago. And what is it? It's a way for you to bring DBT near your data. If you have data already on Snowflake, already governed within Snowflake,